change.
Yes, Max, it'll only be subtle, but we should see slightly cooler and less humid conditions from tomorrow. For today, though, the heat remained and also helped along by a little bit of extra sunshine this afternoon. A few 35s through inland spots, while was coolest on 29 degrees. All locations here staying in the 20s overnight. Zooming out, and it's been a much quieter day across Queensland, seemingly for the first time in weeks. Just a few storms bubbling away near Longreach and up into the tropics ahead of an inland trough here. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued around Richmond, and flood warnings are still current for a number of catchments west of the ranges. On to tomorrow's forecast chart. That inland trough stays slow moving. We could see a few more storms just extending down to the far southern border near that system. We see a bigger change along the coast. Southeast winds start to strengthen thanks to a low out in the Coral Sea pushing up against a high way down in the Bight. Those winds should bring some extra cloud and a couple of showers, including across the southeast. If you're headed interstate tomorrow, watch for another hot one in Perth. Sunshine up to 36 degrees. Sydney, shower or two, and 25. Back to northern Queensland, showers developing around the central coast, including Mackay. Townsville could just get the tail end of that activity late, and a dry 33 in Cairns. Heading south, showers also increase for the coast and ranges as those southeast trade winds surge. A line of storms inland that could affect Emerald and Roma. Across the southeast, showers are possible overnight, but more likely to increase through the day tomorrow. Short bursts of rain, a few dry breaks in between. Another warm night and slightly cooler day as those southeast winds strengthen on the coast. 23 up to 31 in Mount Gravatt. Bodie's southeast wind setting in on the bay, picking up to 20 knots by late morning. That will bump seas up to 1.5 metres. So in Brisbane, showers increasing through the course of the day, staying up at 24 overnight. 31 tomorrow, that will feel a little bit cooler. Looking ahead, more showers on the way for Thursday and Friday, with tops staying around that 31-degree mark. Nights a little bit cooler than what we've had. In Ipswich, 22 up to 33 degrees on Thursday with a couple of passing showers. Then they should start to ease back from Friday. Gold Coasters, you're more likely to see those showers right through the course of the next week. Nothing too heavy, falls adding up to 10, maybe 20 millimetres for the most part. And on the Sunshine Coast, well, you can almost copy and paste the forecast each day. Breezy winds, a few showers, maximums around 30 degrees. Sharon, Max, probably worth digging out that brolly yet again.
Keep that in mind. Thank you, Tony. Now, before we go, here's a look at a